Hey everyone, it's Eikos here from Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we are checking out something which is not really interesting on a paper, but it's actually one of the most important accessories in any entertainment or workstation setup, and that's an HDMI cable. Now, a lot of people think all the HDMI cables are basically the same, but once you start using 4K displays, HDR content, high refresh rates, or even 8K, that's where a high quality certified cable can really make a difference. So today guys, we will checking out the Silkland ultra high speed HDMI cable. It supports up to 48 Gbps bandwidth, 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, is officially ultra high speed HDMI certified, and it's fully compatible with TVs, desktop PCs, MacBooks, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, projectors, and much more. So guys, after the intro, let's see how it performs in the real world use. Let's go! So guys, let's start as usual with the unboxing, unpaperxing, unpaperxing, because there is, hello, only the cable. So let's move on to the design and the build. Right out of the box, the first thing I notice is the build quality. The cable has a really premium braided design, which not only looks great but should also improve durability over time. The aluminum alloy connectors feel solid, fits securely into the ports, and overall it feels much more premium than the standard HDMI cables you usually get in the box. One thing I also appreciate is that this is an officially ultra high-speed HDMI certified cable. That means it has been independently tested to deliver the full 48 Gbps bandwidth. So you know you are getting genuinely HDMI 2.1 performance instead of just marketing claims. Alright, let's head into the desktop PC testing. For my first test, I connected the Silkland cable between my desktop PC and my monitor. Everything worked exactly as expected. The monitor was detected immediately. The connection stayed stable through my testing, and I didn't experience any flickering, signal drops, black screens, or random disconnects. Whether I was editing videos, watching YouTube, or simply browsing the web, the connection remained completely reliable. Sometimes it's the simple things you appreciate the most, you plug it in, and it just works. Next, I connected my MacBook Air to a TV. I used the USB-C HDMI adapter together with the Silkland cable. Again, everything worked perfectly. The TV detected the MacBook almost instantly, and I was able to mirror my display, watch 4K HDR content, and work on the larger screen without any issues. I also unplugged and reconnected the cable multiple times just to test the handshake reliability, and every single time the TV recognized the signal almost immediately. Choo-choo! I also connected this cable to my Xbox Series X. The Xbox recognized the TV instantly, and I had no issues during my gaming sessions. Gameplay was smooth, the connection stayed stable, and I didn't experience any flickering, signal loss, or unexpected interruptions. Since this is a 48 Gbps HDMI 2.1 cable, it's capable of supporting 4K at 120 Hz on compatible displays. It's also ready for 8K at 60 Hz if you have an 8K TV and compatible hardware in the future. Or maybe you have already. Then I'm jealous. It's also fully compatible with variable refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, ALLM, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and eARC, eARC, making it a great choice not only for the Xbox Series X, but also for the PlayStation 5, the Xbox Series S, and other HDMI 2.1 devices. To finish things off, I scanned the QR code using the official HDMI certification app, and it successfully verified the cable as a genuine ultra high-speed HDMI certified product. After several hours of testing across my desktop PC, MacBook Air, and Xbox Series X, I didn't experience a single signal interruption or connection issue. Everything remained stable from start to finish. Overall, I came away genuinely impressed with the Silkland 2.1 HDMI cable. The premium braided build quality feels excellent. The official ultra high speed HDMI certification gives extra peace of mind, And most importantly, it delivered a constantly stable connection through all of my testing. Whether you're connecting a desktop PC, MacBook, TV projector, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, or even planning for 8K in the future, this is a cable that gives you the performance and reliability you'd expect from a certified HDMI 2.1 cable. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I will leave the link down below in the description. And as always, thank you Silkland for sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. Guys, it's an HDMI cable, right? So you can't really speak much about it, but which is good is good. And I can just recommend that this cable. I didn't find any negativity. Even the price is really good, so I absolutely recommend it. So guys, thank you for watching the video. It was Akers from ATech Flow. It was a HDMI cable from Silkland, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace! And stay safe.